Hey guys, it's Carley Smith, the Fairy Gutmother, and today I am making a rack of lamb with rosemary chimichurri and whipped feta. So this cut of lamb is from US Wellness Meats. These are all pasture-raised, no hormones or antibiotics, so better quality, better tasting, and better for you. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the membrane in between the ribs here. This just makes it a little bit easier to handle, and it makes for a really nice presentation. And then you can cut away any extra fat cap here. This one doesn't have too much, so there's not a lot to trim away. All right, now we're going to just prepare a simple marinade. So I have some olive oil here, and to this, I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt and black pepper, rosemary, lemon zest, and a few cloves of chopped garlic. Mix this all together, and then just coat the lamb with the marinade. Now we're going to give the lamb a quick sear on each side. This just helps to lock in some of those flavors before we throw it in the oven. So we're going to place the lamb in a baking dish and put this in the oven at about 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to prepare our rosemary chimichurri. So we're going to add a couple cups of parsley, 2 tablespoons chopped rosemary, a few cloves of garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat, a little sea salt, and a little bit of oil. We're just going to pulse this a few times until everything is nice and combined. Now we're going to prepare our whipped feta. So we're going to add about 8 ounces of feta, cream cheese, and a little black pepper, a little olive oil. Then we're going to mix this until it's nice and smooth and creamy. So now I'm just going to slice up these ribs individually, and then I'm going to dip it in my chimichurri and whipped feta and give it a try.
Whoa. Dude, that is so good.
And there you have it, our rack of lamb with rosemary chimichurri and whipped feta. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out US Wellness Meats' new and improved website at uswellnessmeats.com, where you can find this recipe and so much more.